Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now, the sun's going down, they're about to get off, but we had to go ahead and get this last one in, and it's a 2025 Jayco Jay Flight SLX, model number 200MKS. So let's get started. The length on this Jay Flight is 25 feet. The dry weight is 4,790 pounds. That hitch weight is 525 with a GVWR of 6,500 pounds. That's actually a really good size.
It is a very good size. So anybody who has a half-ton truck, does not want to upgrade a truck, this is going to be a really good option for you guys. But before we get started, if you've ever been concerned about securing your trailer or your fifth wheel or anything while you're camping, hang around to the end of our video. We'd like to share a great product by Proven Industries. And we want to thank them for partnering with us, and we think you are going to really like what they have. So let's start right up here. You are going to have an electric tongue jack. Your propane is going to go under these cover here, and your batteries will go right back there. Here is going to be one side of your pass-through storage. Actually pretty good storage for, I mean, this is a 25-foot camper, so you've got, yeah, that's great storage. You are going to have manual stabilizers on this one. One slide.
Rack and pinion.
And okay, you're just going to have regular suspension on this one. Your dump area is going to be back here, and your tank pulls are actually on each side of it. Coming back here to the back.
Best-selling travel trailer for 15 years.
For 15 years. You got a spare. This is going to be prepped for the Lippert ladder. You do have a shower out in the back, and it's also prepped for a backup camera. Coming on around to the campsite.
Tankless water heater.
Tankless water heater. All right, your quick connect is going to be back here at the back for your grills and things.
17.
All right, 17-foot power awning on this one. You are going to have solid steps, and let's show you the other side of your pass-through storage. So yes, actually really nice storage.
It is.
For this compact little travel trailer.
All right, you ready?
Let's take a look. All right. This is going to be a really great couples camper. It is, as you can see, it is all open.
All right.
So
did we say this was a queen?
This may be a camp.
Yes, it is 80.
Oh, all right. You got a true queen in here.
By 60.
That is awesome. Love that. All right. Looking around your bed area, you're going to have some. Oh, not hanging. All right. You got shelves over here.
Shelves right here.
Yeah. They surprised me on that one.
Let me see what we got over here.
I expected hanging.
There's hanging.
Hanging on that side.
Yes.
All right. Open storage across the top. You do have a light on both sides now. I hope we're not flickering too bad. I think our battery pack is about to give out on us. You do have some little areas here that can work as nightstands. You're going to have a plug-in on both sides.
All right.
Yes, strut assisted storage under there, and that's a pretty stout.
Yep.
And I hear it beeping out there.
Yep.
I think we're dying.
Yep.
So hopefully we're going to try to finish this one out without it getting too dark.
I don't think we will.
Your one slide over here is going to have your theater seating, and we're really sorry that it may get dark, but this is going to have these really nice Jayco tables that just fit down into your cup holders. They're removable. Got a space here in the middle so you can store some remotes, and then there's a really neat storage area over here. So this would be great for those extra blankets or pillows that you need to stash.
And you got a USB over there.
Yep. And a nice big window. And this is going to have the pleated shades
yes.
on those. right up here, you are going to be able to put up to a 32 inch
32
TV
inch.
unit. Big storage. I don't know if you saw all that big storage underneath. Now your heating is going to be in the cabinetry and not in the floors. Nice big drawers here. You have actually a lot of counter space down through here. This is not going to have solid surface because, I mean, this is a lighter camper, but it's very well done. Oh, we're trying to get finished before it gets dark. A little bit of storage there. And right into your kitchen, you've got your microwave up here. Really nice Envision hood. 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Yes.
And there is, well,
I
okay, that's not a whole
covering
lot
up
of storage, but you can put something in there. 4 drawers. You are going to have a split sink in this one. Nice big storage up here above your sink and even over into the corner. There is plug-ins. There's a plug-in on both sides of the sink.
Well,
12-volt compressor fridge.
that's probably why the battery's dead.
Ah, yeah, the fridge is on, so I think that just kind of finished it out for us.
Yep.
Yeah, freezer up on top.
And there's where your fuses
There's your
are.
fuses. I love
All
that they
right.
covered it up, though, so, because I'm just going to tell you guys, fuses are not very attractive. Real quick, before we get into the bathroom, here's going to be your AC unit, and they do give you another plug-in over here on this wall. Bathroom is at the back. Now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There's a skylight, so he actually has really good headroom, and this is a 32 by
32 by 36.
Oh, 32 by 36.
I think that's right.
Good size shower.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I think that's right.
You're not going to have a medicine cabinet in this one, but they do give you a mirror. You actually have pretty fair counter space right here in the vanity.
Correction. 30.
30.
Sorry.
30.
Yeah. Anyway.
Got a little bit of space under there. You could fit a little trash can in there if you needed to. Your tissue holder is already in place. Got some space up there where you can put some towels and a towel ring and a plug-in.
Yeah, cool.
Foot flush toilet down here, and this one's going to have a plastic toilet.
Womp womp.
So unfortunately, it does not get the Golden Plunger Award.
No.
But it's actually a really nice size bathroom to be a compact trailer. But guys, this has got actually pretty good space in here.
All right, everybody. If you like this Jayco Jay Flight, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength, impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.